Understanding, no need to hurry, in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, no need to hurry. This phrase is used often in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really help in grasping the subtleties of the English language. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples together. No need to hurry is a phrase that suggests that there is sufficient time for something to be done, and therefore, one does not need to rush or be quick about it. It is often used in situations where calmness or patience is advised. This phrase can convey a sense of reassurance and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. This phrase can be used in a variety of situations. For example, 1. In social situations, when meeting friends or family, and someone is rushing, you might say, "No need to hurry, we have plenty of time." 2. In professional settings, at work, if a colleague is stressed about a deadline, you could say, "No need to hurry, let's focus on doing it right." 3. In public places, at a store or restaurant, if someone is rushing to give way, a staff member might say, "No need to hurry, take your time." It's important to understand the emotional tone behind this phrase. It often carries a calming and reassuring tone. In different cultures, this phrase can be seen as a polite way to encourage someone to relax or as a gentle reminder to slow down and not stress. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "No need to hurry," a bit better. Remember, English is a language full of nuances, and phrases like these add color and depth to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your daily interactions. Happy learning, and as always, there's no need to hurry on your language learning journey.